Search TITIPO on YouTube. Diesel is different.
It's morning in Choo Choo Town.
Today's my day off. How should I spend it? Oh, there's Jeannie.
Oh, a mud puddle.
Jeannie.
Diesel, morning.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see there was a puddle there.
Diesel, I knew you did it on purpose. Come back here.
Don't wanna.
What?
All Diesel could think about was his next prank.
Oh?
La 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 la. You scared me.
Titipo.
That's not funny.
Titipo is big scaredy cat.
Diesel.
Gotta go. Later. I love playing pranks. It's so fun. Huh? That's Loco.
I don't feel very good today.
Loco!
Oh, Diesel.
Are you going to work?
Yeah, to the industrial area.
Hey, Loco, let's have a race to see who gets there first.
A race?
Ready, go!
Diesel!
Locosa! Big slowpoke!
A big slowpoke? Eat? Yeah?
Oh.
Woohoo! Take that, I'm faster! Whoop, whoop,
Loco!
Oh no! Loco went too fast and derailed.
Loco. Teo, is Loco badly hurt?
Not sure. I'll have to do a complete checkup to know. You must be in shock too, Diesel, so go rest up.
Loco, I'm sorry. I'm to blame.
Teo will fix me up. Don't worry, Diesel.
I hope you get better soon. Bye, Teo. I'll be off then.
Bye. Get some rest.
Okay.
That night, the little trains gathered at the control center.
Well, Loco needs a new component, so he'll stay at the plant until it comes.
Poor Loco. He must have been scared.
Yeah.
It's strange because it's not like Loco to speed up at a curve. Oh?
Actually, the accident happened because of me.
You?
I teased him and called him a slowpoke. So he sped up to prove me wrong. I'm so sorry.
There, Diesel. Loco will be all right. But from now, no more dangerous pranks, understood?
Yes, sir.
All right, you'd better head in.
Okay. I've never seen him so sad. It's Diesel. By tomorrow, he'll be back to playing pranks. Yeah, you're right. Of course. Come on, let's all go home. Okay.
The next morning, Diesel and Titipo are off to work.
Oh, it's Diesel. Look who's the scaredy cat. You screamed louder than I did.
You must have been really scared when I played that prank. I'm sorry, Titipo.
I only meant to make you laugh. Hi, Diesel.
Hi, Jeannie.
You're done early. Want to go on an outing?
No, thanks. I can't go.
No? But why? Aren't you free now?
A naughty train like me doesn't deserve to go on an outing.
What?
That night, the little trains were going to visit Loco.
Diesel, come on out!
Hey, guys. I don't think I should go with you.
What?
I'm not sure Loco will be happy to see me. Just go without me.
Oh, Diesel. Hi, Loco. Hey, guys. How are you feeling? Teo said once I get the new part in, I'll be good to go.
What a relief!
But, where's Diesel?
Oh, Diesel? After your accident, he sort of changed a bit.
A lot. He won't even go on an outing.
And he said that you wouldn't want to see him, so he didn't come.
Really?
I think Diesel feels guilty about your fall.
Oh, I see. But I like that Diesel is bright and playful. Oh, hey guys! I have an idea that might bring Diesel back to normal.
Huh? What's your idea? Titipo Titipo!
The next day, the little trains take Diesel to the quarry.
We're here!
Why are we at the quarry?
Diesel, remember the first time you showed me around the quarry? I've always wanted to thank you for what you did.
Thank me?
Mm-hmm. This is what happened. Wow!
It's this way.
Oh, okay.
Huh? What's an express train doing here?
Huh? I guess it's tough for Sing Sing to get to know the other freight trains. Ah! Hey, Sing Sing, stay right here.
Here? Why here? Oh.
You'll see.
Diesel, I'm a mess.
Look at Sing Sing, everyone!
Hey, Diesel! Your prank could have gotten your friend hurt.
Are you okay?
Well, yes, I'm okay.
Instead of prankster Diesel, let us show you around the quarry.
Wow, really?
You bet. Come on, just follow us.
Okay.
Wait for me!
I know you played that prank on purpose, so I could make friends with the others. Thank you, Diesel.
No prob.
Okay, time for our next location.
Next location?
The little trains take Diesel to Choo Choo Town's auditorium.
Diesel, do you remember what happened here last time?
Here?
Remember? Jeannie and I got into a fight. It probably started already!
Oh, no!
Are there any spots? There's one! It's my turn to watch from the front row!
No, it's my turn this time, remember?
Nope, don't remember.
You do!
So silly. Are you seriously fighting over a spot like children?
Well... Titipo, I'm sorry.
Don't be. I was being selfish. I'm sorry.
There! Now that's how good friends should act. Then I'll take the front row spot.
Diesel! Oh, he's impossible.
Jeannie, do you want to just watch together from here?
Okay. Thanks to you, Diesel, Titipo and I made up.
We owe you, Diesel.
I'm glad.
Yup, I knew it. Being bright and playful suits you better.
It's true. It gets boring when you don't play pranks on us.
Thank you, guys. I feel better. Hey, it's a nice day. Want to go out and play?
Sounds good.
The little trains are on their way to the sea.
What happened? The sky has turned so dark.
It looks like rain.
Whoa!
Whoa! We should turn back.
I shouldn't have suggested an outing. I'm sorry, you guys.
It's okay, Diesel.
Hey, I know. Let's sing that song.
What song?
You know, the cool song you taught us on our outing last time.
Oh, that's right. It was raining then, just like today. I remember. We had so much fun singing with you.
Let's sing it again now.
Pitter patter, pitter patter, it is raining. Splish splash, splish splash, splish splash, it is raining. Pitter patter, one step, two step, let's dance together. Splish splash, a happy song like that.
While the little train sang cheerfully, the sun came out.
I feel so happy. Diesel! Hi there, guys. Hello, Loco.
Loco, are you all better now?
Of course. I'm as good as new.
I'm so thankful. I was so worried about you.
Diesel, about that.
Huh?
Teo told me something. He said I derailed partly because I didn't have regular checkups.
What? So it wasn't all my fault? And here I was feeling so guilty.
Sorry, Diesel.
Why, you loco?
I'll get regular checkups, I promise.
Do you know how bad I felt all this time?
Thanks to his friends, Diesel is bright and playful again. But no more dangerous pranks, Diesel.
A visit to the quarry.
It's a bright and sunny morning. Here comes Titipo.
Morning, Mr. Herb.
Hello, TITIPO. It's your day off.
I know I'm not working today, but can I go out and play?
Of course. Have fun.
Yay! So excited! I'll see you later.
All right, be safe.
It's so nice to be outside. Oh? Diesel! Oh, hello, Diesel.
Oh, hello, Titipo. What's up?
Where are you going? It's my day off, so I came out to play.
I have to go to the quarry to haul some rocks.
The quarry? What's a quarry?
They dig up rocks there, and my job is especially hard and dangerous. You want to tag along?
Can I?
Sure, follow me. Woohoo!
Oh! Hey, wait!
Titipo follows Diesel to the quarry.
Diesel! How far do we have to go?
We're almost there.
You keep saying that, but we've been going forever.
Patience, my little friend. Hey, there it is.
Wow! So cool! Wow!
Steady now!
This place is awesome!
I told ya.
Hey, Diesel!
Oh,
How are ya?
doing all right.
Well, I'm off. I'll see you later, buddy. Okay, be careful.
They extract the rocks up there and put them into the machine. The big rocks get crushed into small rocks.
Amazing!
Then those small rocks are loaded into our containers for us to haul.
That's so cool! Huh? Ah! What's going on? Look up there! The mountain is collapsing! We have to get out of here! Diesel, hurry!
Don't be afraid. They're using explosives to break up the rocks.
Oh, I see.
Diesel, you're up next.
Okay. right here.
Okay.
Diesel goes off to work.
Diesel's here.
Great, get into place.
Okay. There. Ready for loading.
Good job.
I'm all loaded.
Diesel!
Oh, let's head back.
Are you sure you can carry that?
This amount is normal for all freight trains.
Really?
Really? Look over there.
Oh? Whoa! You're right! All freight trains are strong!
That's right.
1, 2, 3, 4. Heave ho, heave ho. We are the chugga chugga sturdy freight trains. We are the chugga
Do they always
chugga
sing like that?
awesome freight trains.
Yeah, singing makes working much more fun. I know this song too. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Heave-ho, heave-ho, 1, 2, 3, 4. Heave-ho, 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 heave-ho. We are the chugga-chugga sturdy freight trains. We are the chugga-chugga awesome freight trains. Heave-ho, heave-ho.
They're not tired at all. It's just amazing.
Heave-ho, heave-ho. We are the chugga-chugga sturdy freight trains. We are the chugga-chugga awesome freight trains.
So how did you like visiting the quarry?
I had such a great time. I really want to work in the quarry too.
I don't know if you're cut out for it.
Why? I can be a freight train.
It won't be so easy.
Huh? I'll show you. Titipo, titipo.
It's the next morning. Titipo is on his way to start his route.
Link up. Now, let's go. Hello, Mr. Herb.
Oh, hello. Good morning, Titipo. Oh? Why are you covered in so much dust? You must always keep yourself clean.
But the dust makes me look cool. Ah, I have to go to work right now, so I'll wash when I get back.
Oh dear, I guess you do have to go. But next time, make sure you wash.
Okay. See you later, Mr. Herb. All those freight cars yesterday were so awesome. Heave-ho! This isn't heavy at all. Yeah! Oh, I'm already at the station. I'm gonna use my big voice, just like the freight trains did. Hello, everyone!
You startled me.
Loud.
Welcome aboard!
This train's filthy.
It's so dusty.
Now here we go! Why don't I sing that song? Hee-ho, hee-ho, 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's really noisy.
Hee-ho, hee-ho, hee-ho. We are the chugga-chugga sturdy freight trains. We are the chugga-chugga awesome freight trains. Hee-ho, hee-ho. We are the chugga-chugga sturdy freight trains. Hee-ho, hee-ho. I'm back, Mr. Herb.
Titipo, what in the world happened during your route today?
Today? Nothing.
I heard you shouted at the passengers and then started singing real loudly.
Ah, I met some cool freight trains at the quarry yesterday, and I just really wanted to be like them.
But you're not a freight train, you're a passenger train. If you talk or sing loudly, you'll annoy everyone.
I know that, but it's not fun working quietly all the time. I want to have a cool and exciting job.
Transporting passengers is a cool job too. From now on, you should keep the volume down.
Yes, sir. Being a freight train seems cooler to me. Maybe I'll visit the quarry again.
Titipo is off to the quarry to see the freight trains in action.
Wow! I wonder where Diesel is. Ah! There he is! Diesel!
Oh, Titipo, what you doing here?
I came to watch.
But this is my last haul for the day. And it's time for the others to go home.
Really? But I wanted to watch you work.
Hi there. You're a passenger train, right?
Me? Yes, that's right. But why do you ask, sir?
Can you take us workers to the city station?
Me take you?
Yes. The commuter train has broken down, so it can't come.
There's another train, but it'll be a long wait.
Sure, I can give you all a ride. Welcome! If I talk loudly, it might disturb the passengers. Welcome aboard.
What a polite train.
I know.
Now off we go. Steady, steady. When passengers are on board, the ride must be smooth.
TITIPO is extra cautious for his special passengers.
Safe and sound. This is your stop.
Wow, we're here already. Thanks to TITIPO, I had a good nap.
Thanks for the ride.
Now we can get home safely at a decent hour.
Happy to help.
TITIPO,
Oh? Hi, Diesel.
did your ride go smoothly?
Yup,
You saved the day for them.
I did. Being a passenger train is pretty cool, too.
Really? I thought you wanted to be a freight train.
No, not anymore. Seeing how happy my passengers were made me super duper happy, too.
Ooh, but you'll never be cooler than me.
You're wrong. I think I'm the coolest of the cool.
To be honest, you were pretty cool today.
That's right. Hauling freight and transporting passengers are equally important. TITIPO, Diesel, you both did a great job today.
Checkups are scary.
The little trains of Choo Choo Town are busy working as usual. TITIPO is on his way to work too.
Okay, let's go to work. Oh, why am I shaking so much? Oh, thank goodness it stopped. Hi, Diesel. Are you done for the day?
Yeah. How about you? Are you starting?
Yup. Guess you had a hard day.
Yeah. But I'm done with work now, so I can finally get some rest.
I'm so glad. Not again.
What's the matter?
I think something's wrong. I keep shaking.
You should go to Teo and get a checkup.
Checkup? What's a checkup?
Oh, that's right. You haven't gotten a checkup yet. I'm gonna have some fun with him. A checkup is something very scary.
It's very scary.
It's super scary. Ah! Oh, I'm so dizzy. For checkups, you have to be upside down. Then Teo gives you a shot with a big needle.
Diesel, it's time for your shot.
My shot? I'm so scared.
I'm sorry, but you have to get this shot.
Ah! Good thing I'm brave, so I take it like a real champ.
It's that bad?
It is. The other trains can't handle the pain.
Diesel,
Yes, Mr. Herb.
I need to see you.
Be right there. Wonder what he wants. Later, buddy. Good luck on your checkup.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, checkup sounds super scary.
Hi, Mr. Herb.
Good, you're here. I've a favor to ask.
What kind of favor?
A train bound for the harbor has broken down and it can't move. So I'm afraid I have to ask you to go.
Me? I don't want to go. Should I pretend I'm sick?
I think something is wrong.
Yeah, that's perfect. I don't feel very good.
Are you sick, Diesel?
I'm not really sure. I think I need to get a checkup first.
Then go see Teo right away.
Okay.
Oh, hang on, Diesel.
What?
Fix, lift.
Yes, sir.
Can you take Diesel to the production plant?
I keep on shaking. What should I do? I don't want to get a checkup.
TITIPO,
Yes?
it's almost time for your route.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Herb.
Why are you shaking like that?
I am.
I think you need to get a checkup before your route.
A checkup?
Yes. Hurry to Teo and ask for a checkup.
Okay. Bye, Mr. Herb.
TITIPO follows Mr. Herb's orders and goes to the production plant.
Diesel, you okay? Are you in pain?
Where does it hurt? Where? Well, here and there. They can't find out that I'm faking.
Fix?
Oh, copy, Mr. Herb.
There's been an accident in the quarry. Drop Diesel off and go straight to the site.
Yes, will do, sir.
Accident? Hey, you should go now. I can take care of myself.
You sure you'll be okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Then, chugga!
Choo-choo!
Chugga!
Choo-choo!
Let's go!
Oh, Teo! I'm in so much pain!
I've run the tests, and everything's fine.
How can that be? I'm in serious pain here!
I'm so scared. That sounds like Diesel. The checkup must be extra painful. Forget it. I'll just go to work. I'm tired.
TITIPO,
Hello, sir. I'm shaking again.
oh, are you sick?
Oh no, I'm fine. I have to go now. Just leave. TITIPO, TITIPO.
Best nap ever.
Diesel,
Hey, Teo.
do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel a whole lot better now.
Good. You can go back to work then.
Work? Oh, no. Oh, the pain has come back again. I think I need to rest a bit more.
Huh? Something doesn't add up.
This is the last stop. Phew, I'm done. I'm so tired. Why have I stopped suddenly? I have to call Mr. Herb for help. Mr. Herb! Mr. Herb! Oh no! My radio must be broken too! This is bad!
Oh dear, TITIPO is broken down.
TITIPO? TITIPO? Why isn't he responding?
We're back, Mr. Herb.
Good work. But have you seen TITIPO today?
No, I haven't. Is something wrong?
He's not responding to my calls.
TITIPO? Yes, we'll keep an eye out.
What's wrong with TITIPO?
I don't know. We can't reach him. He was supposed to get a checkup.
Oh, no! Oh, is this because of me? Teo, I'll be back real soon.
Diesel? Where's he going right now?
Worried about TITIPO, Diesel goes out to look for him.
Where could he be? Huh? TITIPO!
Diesel!
Are you okay?
I can't move at all!
I'll give you a tow. Just hold on.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Let's go, TITIPO.
Thank you, Diesel.
Mr. Herb!
Diesel!
TITIPO had broken down on the rails. I'm taking him to the production plant.
Huh? Diesel, but aren't you feeling sick too?
I'm fine. I feel much better now.
I'm glad. Then take good care of Titipo.
Will do, Mr. Herb. Let's hurry, Titipo.
Okay.
Theo! Where is he? I'll go look for him. Wait right here.
Okay.
Hold on, Diesel.
What?
I don't think I can handle getting a checkup. It's way too scary.
Don't be scared. Checkups don't hurt at all.
But you said they were painful before.
I did, but I was kidding. I'm sorry, Titipo.
No, you weren't. I heard you in here this afternoon yelling that it hurt.
Oh. Aha! Oh, that. I was just pretending to be sick.
Oh, you were?
Yeah, I didn't want to work, so I was faking it.
So then, getting checkups aren't painful at all?
Yeah, not one bit.
Okay then, I'm ready for my checkup.
Diesel!
Theo!
What was that?
Mr. Herb!
Pretending to be sick? You have some explaining to do. Hey, but first, you should start Titipo's checkup, Theo.
Sure. All done.
Oh, I'm finished already?
Mm-hmm. It didn't hurt, right?
Right. Oh, wow. I hardly felt anything at all.
From now on, you must get regular checkups.
Yes, Mr. Herb.
Happy ending.
As for you, Diesel, how could you fake being sick?
That wasn't nice. I was worried the whole day.
I'm so sorry. I won't do that ever again.
Teo, Mr. Herb, if Diesel hadn't rescued me, I would have been in trouble. And it was Diesel that convinced me to get the checkup, and now I'm better.
Titipo.
He has a point. Diesel did do some good things today.
Diesel, I'll forgive you just this once, you hear?
Thank you.
I'm so glad, Diesel.
However, you still deserve punishment. I'm putting you on cleaning duty.
What?
I'll inspect your work in the morning, so better get cleaning.
I thought you were forgiving me.
That's what you get for lying.
Thanks to Diesel, Titipo finally got his checkup. But Diesel, no more faking.